Everyone. It's a huge privilege to be here this morning, and I will stand with all the protocol already established. This morning, I want to just speak out of my heart. It is such an achievement for us to actually stand here today. There was a stage that Christophine from Sports Commission said I was nearly crying on her shoulder because we didn't have money. And we just put in the claim, and government came forward and assisted us and made this possible. I also want to thank all the other sponsors here today and those in their absence who've made this also possible. But I also want to say a special word of thanks to the management teams. I think they work extremely hard, not just on the field, all the other preparations they've done, but also in helping to gathering money for and doing fundraising. We really appreciate the effort that you put in. I can't explain the hours that they put in. In particular, the managers. I worked a lot with the managers, so I know the hours that they put in. I'm also privileged to have one assistant coach in the house, and I know the hours that they spent, and even the players, even more with Herman in the mornings early. I know the players put the miles in. From the players, I just want to say it's such a privilege to qualify. It's the first time that the Namibian outdoor team qualify for a World Cup. You should be extremely proud of yourself. You've worked hard. You make Namibia proud. Now the tournament is ahead, and I know it will not be easy. If I look at the pools, it will be extremely tough, but I know you've worked hard. You are well prepared. So now you have to go out and show the world what Namibia is about. So make us proud, fly the Namibian flag high, and we are looking forward to get good results from India and also from Chile. Thank you everyone also for being here, everyone that have assisted, parents that have supported, sponsors, the Sports Commission, government, everyone that have contributed to make it possible. Also, in particular, thank you to the media. You've really put our teams in the limelight, and you can just go on social media and you will see something about our teams. Thank you very much.